Hello everyone and welcome back to STEM Sprouts. Today we are going to learn about how to plant our own seeds. But first we are going to start off with a book today. I'm going to be reading Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ehlert. Planting a rainbow. Every year, Mom and I plant a rainbow. In the fall, we buy some bulbs and plant them in the ground. They have orange tiger lily bulbs, red tulip bulbs, orange tulip bulbs, yellow daffodil bulbs, blue hyacinth bulbs, purple crocus corn, and purple bearded iris rhizomes, which are all types of bulbs. We order seeds from catalogs and wait all winter long. So they have phlox, morning glory, zinnia, aster, cornflower, marigold, and daisies. We wait for spring to warm the soil and sprout the bulbs. So they're starting to come up little by little. We have some little sprouts coming out of the ground. Then it's time to go to the garden center to select some seedlings. So seedlings are partially already grown plants, so they don't start from the tiny seeds. We sow the seeds and set out the plants in the soil. And watch the rainbow grow. So now some of their plants are starting to flower. And they grow and grow. We have some red flowers, which are tulips, carnations, and a rose. And orange flowers, which are tulip, zinnia, poppy, and tiger lily. They have some yellow blooms, daisy, marigold, daffodils. We grow something green. These are ferns. And some blue flowers like morning glories, delphinium, hyacinth, and cornflowers. And some purple flowers too, like crocus, phlox, violets, asters, and pansies. All summer long, we pick them and bring them home. And when summer is over, we know we can grow our rainbow again next year. So today we are going to grow some of our own plants too. But for this lesson, you will need about a 1/4 cup of dirt or soil if you have potting soil. You'll need a cup, or you can even use egg cartons to grow your plants in. I have a little cup of water, a popsicle stick, and a marker to label what our plant is going to be. And I have different seeds here. I have some peas, we have sunflower, carrot seeds, and a cosmos flower mixture. And so what we are going to do is we are going to give our plant everything that it needs. So there's 3 things that every plant needs. They need soil, they need water, and they need sunshine. So after we plant our seeds, I'm going to put mine out on a windowsill so that it can get some sunshine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our cup that we want to plant in, and I'm going to put some of our dirt mixture in here. And my dirt mixture filled up about half of the cup. That way it gives our plant some room to grow. And my dirt is really dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of water, just a little bit at a time, and let the water sink down into the dirt. Okay, I put just a little bit of water in there, just to hydrate our soil a little bit, and I'm giving it a little shake. Okay, now it's time to pick what seed we want. So all these seeds have different sizes. So carrot seeds are very, very tiny. Let's see if I can show you a carrot seed. Maybe if I do this, I can just show you the inside. So carrot seeds are super, super, super tiny. They're like tiny little black spots. One carrot seed looks like this. That's one tiny little carrot seed. I don't think I'm going to plant a carrot today. Let me just fix this real quick. There we go. And then we have sunflower seeds. I think most of us have seen sunflower seeds before. They are a little bit bigger. That's a sunflower seed. So sunflower seeds are usually white with black stripes. We also have cosmos flower seeds, which are black and they are a long shape. So cosmos flower ones look like this. They're kind of hard to see. But they're a little bit longer and a little bit bigger than the carrot ones, but not as big as the sunflower seeds. And then we have peas, and I think I'm going to plant a pea seed today. And these look like peas that you eat. So that is the seed of the plant. And I'm going to take one of these peas and I'm just going to press it down into my soil. You don't want to press it too far because you want to make sure that it can still get water, and then when it starts to sprout, the first leaves will be able to get sun. So I put my pea in there and I covered it up with a little bit of soil, and I'm going to add a little bit more water. And you don't want to overdo the water. If it doesn't sink down into your dirt, then you've put too much in. And you can always dump a little bit of water out. But mine looks pretty good. It's dark, it's a little bit muddy in there. But I'm going to take my marker and my popsicle stick, and I'm going to write peas on mine. And I'm going to put the letter KM for my name. So it shows that I planted the seed and it says peas on there. And then I'm going to grab my little pot here and I'm just going to put that in here. There we go. And then I'm going to set it up near a sunny window, and it should start to sprout within a week or so for the first leaves to come out of the dirt. But I hope you guys do this lesson at home, and I hope you guys enjoyed the book and planting a seed with me. Thank you for joining me for STEM Sprouts, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!